Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flipaclip, Create 2D Animation app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Flipaclip is a 2D animation app designed for beginners, hobbyists, and aspiring animators who want to create frame-by-frame animations directly on their mobile devices. Available on both iOS and Android, the app provides an intuitive drawing interface with layers, onion skinning, brushes, audio tools, and timeline controls that help users bring their ideas to life. Whether you're sketching simple cartoons or building more detailed animations, Flipaclip offers the core tools needed to animate in a clean and accessible workspace. The app's main strengths include its frame-by-frame workflow, easy layer management, and support for stylus input, which many users find helpful for precision. You can import images, add audio tracks, and export finished animations as MP4 or GIF files. Flipaclip also hosts animation challenges, allowing creators to share their work and participate in community events. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth interface, responsive drawing tools, and the ability to create detailed animations even on basic devices. The app is especially popular among students, digital artists, and people learning animation fundamentals. Its timeline and onion skinning features help make the animation process easier and more structured than traditional paper-based methods. However, there are drawbacks. Some advanced features, such as additional layers or premium brushes, require in-app purchases. Users also report occasional lag when working with high-resolution projects or many layers. The app is designed more for short or simple animations, so creators seeking advanced effects or professional studio tools may find it limiting. In summary, the Flipaclip app may be worth using if you want an easy-to-learn, mobile-friendly animation tool that supports frame-by-frame drawing, layering, and exporting. However, if you need advanced animation features or high-end performance, Flipaclip may feel limited compared to desktop-grade software. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.